Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about physics 8th class first chapter universe. In this class we will discuss about some essay questions. First of all, what are dwarf planets? Name of that was easier classified as a planet. So what are dwarf planets? Dwarf means very small. Once considered the 9th planet of the solar system is Pluto. So we know that in the solar system have 9 planets. The last 9th planet is Pluto. But now it is classified as dwarf planet. Dwarf planets are much smaller in size than planets. When the solar system was forming, these tiny planets or small planets could not pull the small objects near them. The large planets pull means gravitational attractions. So comparison of the larger planets and these Pluto type dwarf planets, what is the difference means these dwarf tiny planets could not pull the small objects. So Pluto is the dwarf planet. Pluto and other dwarf planets have their own moon. Next question, explain meteoroids, meteors, meteorites. Meteoroids, when the solar system was forming, there are pieces of rock left over or from the breaking up of asteroids or bits of comets. These pieces of rock come close to the earth. They get pulled by gravitation. These pieces of rock is called meteoroids. Meteors. The meteoroids enter the atmosphere of Earth. They heat up due to the friction of the air and start burns. So we can see as streaks of light. So streaks of light caused by the burning of the meteoroids are called the meteors or shooting stars. Okay. Meteoroid falling through the air does not burn completely. Then it crashes onto the surface of the earth. So it is called. So meteoroids means the small pieces of the rocks, and meteors means the burning of the pieces or shooting stars. And what is called meteorite means they crashes on the earth surface. This is the difference of these three. Next question, what are artificial satellites? Write the uses of such satellites. Artificial satellite means a man-made object orbiting a planet or a moon is called an artificial satellite. Most artificial satellites revolve around Earth. In 1957, first satellite was launched by Soviet Union was called Sputnik L. Many countries were launched satellites and still orbiting Earth. In India has a satellite program managed by ISRO. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. The first satellite made in India was Aryabhatta in 1975 by a Soviet rocket. Chandrayaan, the first satellite to the moon by ISRO in 2008. What are the uses of satellites? First one, communications. Satellites are used to provide television, telephone, radio, computer links over the world. For example, TV signal sent out from a TV station may be picked by a satellite and sent to all over the world. Satellite dishes antenna in different parts of the world, then pick up the signals and send them to our houses. Satellites are great help in forecasting weather reports like storms, cyclones and arrival of monsoons. Satellites are also used of the study of the climate patterns. Third one, remote sensing. Remote sensing satellites are used to collect information on crops, forest, pollution, water, mineral resources. They have powerful cameras which take detailed photos of the surface of the earth. Fourth one, navigation. Some satellites are used to help in the navigation of ships and aircraft. They are also useful to bikers and tracking transport vehicles. Small electronic devices on the ground receive signals from the satellites. These signals are calculated the geographical location. Fifth one, military uses. Some satellites are useful to get information about military bases and troop movements in other countries. So it is called spy satellites. They monitor the launching of rockets or missiles in other countries and are very important role in providing early warning in the case of a war. They can also target weapons, a smart bomb with precision. Which conditions, next question, which conditions make Earth suitable for the existence of life? Earth is called the blue planet because the oceans made it look blue from a spacecraft. Earth is the only planet with life. The presence of water, the composition of its atmosphere, its distance from the sun make our planet to existence of a life. Atmosphere has right mix of oxygen and nitrogen. Oxygen sustains life. Nitrogen prevents things from burning up uncontrolledly. Even carbon dioxide also present in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide plays major two roles. One is to play in the sustenance of life. It helps plants make food and traps heat. Too much carbon dioxide would make Earth terribly hot, like Venus. Too much carbon dioxide would make the nights unbearably cold also. So thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.